Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free coins on DramaBox. So this works in 2025 for iOS and Android, so let's get into the guide. Pretty easy to do. All you have to do is go to zoommods.com on this site, and I typed in DramaBox for you, but here it is, all the apps. Just wanted to show you how it really looks. So I'm going to type in DramaBox and you'll see the DramaBox mod. So just press on it and it will start downloading onto your device. So before it downloads, guys, you are going to have to do a little verification where you need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and download here. As you can see, so yeah, it's totally worth it because you get free coins. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, so you'll see it's gonna say like please install some apps. So they're like completely free apps, but anyway, guys, as you can see, this one says down install, run 5 games. This one says run for 30 seconds. This one says down install, register, valid info. So they're all different. So just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the store. I'm on an Android, so it brought me to the Play Store, but if you're using an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store. So just download the apps, you're done. I'll see you later, but make sure you do it right. I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, you may have completely different apps. That's totally fine. But yeah, so they have like an AI you can talk to, which is pretty cool. Really confused. So yeah, I don't really think this, I think this is just like a one-time process. So once you do it for the first time, you should have the DramaBox mod. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel because this is super sick, guys. It actually works. So yeah, if you're poor, guys, like in 2025 on DramaBox, just get onto this tutorial. I'm going to see you guys later and peace out.